Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy al pastor chicken bowl. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in that description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, we're going to begin by making our marinade. I'm going to be using my hand blender. So to my cup, I'm going to be adding 3 chipotle peppers. Depending on how spicy you want your adobo, then it depends on how many you're going to use. For me, 3 is perfect. But of course, if you want it spicier, add more. To that, we're going to add 3 garlic cloves, 1 ounce of achiote paste. For our spices, we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of chile powder, 1 tablespoon of ancho powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, oregano, black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt. I'm using 4 teaspoons. Along with that, 1/4 of a cup of orange juice, 1/4 of a cup of pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Okay, so now we're going to be blending until we have smashed down the garlic cloves. Okay, so just like that, we have our marinade. So here you can taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But for me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to pour it on our chicken. Okay, to my Ziploc bag, I added 3.5 pounds of chicken breast. Just make sure to cut into small pieces. Okay, so now we're just going to add our marinade. I'm also adding half an onion and half a cup of pineapple chunks. Okay, so I'm just going to close the bag and just massage it. So like that, all of the chicken gets coated with the marinade. Okay, so once we have coated all of our chicken, we're going to allow it to sit and marinate for a few minutes while we make our rice. Okay, to make our rice, in our pan, we're going to add 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of butter, the zest of 2 limes. Okay, we're also going to be adding the juice of the limes. And this is not going to make the rice bitter, so don't worry about that. Promise you it's going to be super delicious. Okay, into that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. We're going to set it over medium-high heat and allow the butter to melt. Once the butter melts, we're going to add 2 cups of white rice. Just going to mix it and just bring it to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting, cover it, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, our rice should be done. So there should be no water left behind. So now we're going to be adding a handful of cilantro and just fluff the rice and mix the cilantro in. So we're just going to cover it and set it to the side. Okay, to cook the chicken, I'm going to be using a skillet. I'm just going to set it on high heat and allow it to get nice and hot. Once skillet is hot, we're going to add our chicken. And I'm going to be cooking it in batches, so just half of it. You just want to make sure that it's in a single layer. So like that, the chicken grills and it doesn't boil. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a couple minutes before moving it all around. Okay, after 2 minutes, we're going to move the meat around. And now we're just going to allow it to cook for 4 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Okay, and after 4 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. Of course, just make sure that you check it. So as you can see, it's nice and tender and it is done. So we're just going to remove it from the heat. So now you can get ready to serve or cook the rest of the chicken. Alright guys, and once we have our chicken and our rice, now we can get ready for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to scoop my rice. I'm going to be serving it with some pinto beans, but of course you can always serve it with some black beans as well. And now, of course, our al pastor chicken. Okay, now I'm just going to top it with some cilantro, some purple onion, some radish, and of course, some avocado. And just add a lime wedge. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, so delicious, everyone enjoys it. Of course, you know, if you don't want to enjoy it in a bowl, you can always enjoy that chicken al pastor in tacos. But just like that, let me tell you that it's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So flavorful. It's a little spicy, but of course, you know, you can always adjust that. But let me tell you, just like that, it's so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious al pastor chicken bowl. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.